Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. In part 2, I was trying to help somebody get rid of these bad lines, as you can see, and I thought, what, no big deal. But they do embroidery, and it is a big deal. Here's a sample that they sent. That's really cool. So the stitches would be those little notches. So I kind of figured out a way to do it this morning to make it look better. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take it. I'm going to delete this one. Whoop. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Got my nudge factor set. I'm going to smart fill the cubes that we need. And here's the idea behind it. My idea is to just go ahead and just draw the lines. So we're going to take a 2-point line. It's a little bit time consuming, but you only have to do one. And you got node to node. And then if you go node to node, node to node, node to node, just, whoop, I didn't get on the node that time. Make sure you get on the node and just go all the way around it. So you can see it says node, and that means it's on the edge of the blue. Then go across there and hit node. And then let's zoom in here a little bit, and we're going to do the cross ones with the 2-point line. Same thing, we got those same nodes. And what's going to happen here in just a second, just make sure you go, I missed that node down there, and I can see it to the right. So I need to go ahead and fix that before I go any further. And I don't, wow, I got that one off too. But then I'm going to get the 2-point line. I don't think I guess I do have a line there. Then I'm going to go from node to node. And by doing this, now we can take away the blue. Well, let's just take away the orange or the red. Whoop, that's what I wanted originally. But I'm just getting the red line. Now, if we take all this and we make it, let's go up to object, group them together. Why do I not have my pen tool? Oh, there it is. So we're going to make this thing something other than a hairline. Let's go ahead and make it black. And now look at my lines. My lines are perfectly in line. The nodes are touching. I didn't have to weld it. And then when we put the blue back, you've got a perfect set of lines that match up perfectly. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and that especially that young lady I was trying to help. And thank you for watching.